Hi Felters and welcome. How are you all? Are you having a good January? So today's video is to let you know that I have had a wonderful time developing two workshops. This is Heidi the Herdwick, one of my favourites to do, and then Hamish the Highland cow. So I have spent a little bit of time making sure that I can develop a workshop. It's a 2-day workshop for either the Herdwick or the Highland cow, and they're in May and June. All the details are on my website. And I'm based in the Holme Valley, which is sort of near Leeds, Manchester, Sheffield, sort of round that way. So go and have a look at the details. But basically they're 2-day workshops and maximum 6 people. So you're going to get lots of tuition and I will teach you how to do these. It'd be great if you have worked with our wire armature, but bear in mind it's not till May. So if you are a beginner at the moment, by the time we get to May, you could probably definitely have a go at doing one of these. So any questions, put them in the comments below and go and check out all the details on my website if you're interested. I am considering doing a couple of absolute beginner workshops too. Let me know what sort of animals you would really like on those workshops. Thanks for watching everybody, and I look forward to hearing from you if you're going to come and join me for a wonderful weekend of felting. Take care.